Okay. See, so far we have seen only for single class, right? So now I am going to create multiple classes. Okay. Multiple classes, and so far we have seen it will execute all the methods based on the sequencing order. Suppose here I am having one more TestNG class. Say for example here, TestNG class, I am going to have here user, create user. Okay. I am just simply click on. Okay. So now here I have a method called create user. See, these all are we have, right? In active.com, we have new user, new customer. We have all those methods, right? For practice purpose, we have to use that application. Okay. So now I am going to use here system dot out dot println. Okay. So user created successfully. Okay. See, now if I run this, it will execute this particular class. Suppose this is the users.java, right? So if I'll run this, so users.java. Okay. So it will execute it, create user successfully, right? Suppose here also we may have some multiple methods are there like create user, delete user, right? So in the similar fashion, you may have delete user. Okay. And I am having method called edit user. Modified details successfully. Okay. So now if I run this, as you said that this is a sequential order, right? C, D, E. So all are in the alphabetical order only. So it will get alphabetical order only. Even though if this method is above this method, you will get C, D, E only. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. See now delete user, edit user, create user. Right? Create user created successfully, deleted, modified. Right? All are in the sequence. Yes, because these all are in sequence, that's why it is executed sequentially. Okay. But see, as of now, what you are doing, I am having one more TestNG class says that sometimes you may have the reports, right? Reports or a payment method is there, anything. So you can use that. Yes, that make more readable and modularity. So different functionalities, you can have the different classes so that you will have more modularity, like order management, payment management, or inquiry. So these things. So now I have created one reports.java. Okay. So here also we have report module. Okay. System dot out dot println dashboard created successfully. Okay. Okay, so now I also executed this, right? So now tell me, as discussed in the starting of the class, as of now, we have executed all these. So here, how many classes are there? Customer.java, reports.java, user.java.
6, 7 is the total.
So now we have 3 classes right here. Under the TestNG, we have 3 classes. So this .java file is nothing but one class, right? So reports.java is one class, user.java is another class. So we have 3 classes. So far what you have executed, you have executed on one after another. Okay, but my intention is we have to execute all these together. See, customer.java, reports.java, user.java. I want to execute all together. So how to do that? Okay. See, now if I execute any one of these class, it will execute only that particular, yeah, print only. But now I want to execute all these 3 .java files at the same time. So as of now, individually, how many test runs are there? First one, 3 methods are there, 3 runs are there, and reports is 1, and user is, yeah, so total 7. So now if I run, how we can run this? So with the help of package name is there right here. So go to the package and right click on that package and then run as testng.test. Okay. So now if I run this package, it will execute which all are the classes under the package. Okay. Yeah. So now let us see here. So now it has executed all these, right? So all the 7 has been executed, whatever we assumed. Right. So now here, what is going to happen here? Initially, you have the launch browser, then login, delete customer successfully. Then you have dashboard created successfully. After dashboard created successfully, we have user created successfully, deleted successfully, this one, right? But suppose I want to run, first we have to execute this user after customer. I want to execute reports, or first I want to execute user, then I have to execute customer, then I have to go for reports. So how to do that? So here what is going to happen, you will get in a whatever the sequence are there in the classes, it will execute one after another. But based on my intention, I have to execute user.java is a first preference. Okay, so how to do that? So under this TestNG, we are having a wonderful feature called XML file. We have XML. Okay, so you have to first go to the percent temp dot percent. Go to percent temp. Okay. Yes. In this percent temp, whenever you run the program, it will generate one TestNG file in the temp folder. Okay. So just check about today's. See, today is 9/27. We have recently executed this, right? So now if I'll open this, it is generated one suite file, right? XML file. So now if I'll right click on this and if I'll open with Notepad or any other which is having the XML editor. Okay. See, these all are the classes are there, right? So these are the classes, right? Yeah. So these all are the classes. This is the verbose. See, this is the customer. Then we have reports. Then we have user. So what you need to do in order to execute our own preferences. This is their preference, but our preference is what? First of all, I want to execute user, then I will go to the customer, then I will come to the reports. So I want to print in that manner.
You can repeat that minutes.
Yes, so that is what I want to do now. So now how to do that? You just copy this, okay? You just copy this and then come to the Eclipse. And here you have TestNG file, right? Demo.project. This is the project, right? Just right click on this project and just simply paste on this. So it is generated one XML suite, right? Okay. Now what you have to do, you just simply right click on this, okay, and go with edit option or open with first XML editor, okay. Okay, see now here you are able to see this all the classes, right? What all are the classes under this particular package, right? So now what you have to do,
And replace user in first or not customer in second.
Yes,
person in later
yes.
last.
So either you can you can replace with the same, or you can do one more thing. You can just put it one more as a backup. Okay. Don't overwrite, just for understanding purpose. Okay. So this is maybe, so now what you have to do, just now based on our intention, I will do one thing. I will just Control X. Okay. I will make it as a replacement here. Okay, now what is our order? User, customer, then reports, right? Just simply save it. Okay. Now I have saved this. Okay. So now what you have to do? Now go to here, run as TestNG suite.
XML కి run చేయాలి.
Yes, yes. Now you have to right click on this. Okay. Now just run as TestNG suite. Okay.
అంటే బిఫోర్ క్లాస్ కి రన్ చేస్తున్నాము, ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ XML కి రన్ చేస్తాం.
TestNG suite అంటే ఇక్కడ ప్యాకేజ్ మీద రన్ చేసాం ఇందాక.
క్లాస్ ఫైల్స్ కి రన్ చేస్తాం.
Yes, 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 yes.
XML ఫైల్ కి
Exactly right. So here you have to utilize this concept. That is the XML beautiful feature in TestNG. Okay. Can you see now here? So this is what we have given, right? First of all, user, right? User, then browser, launch, login, deleted, you customer related, then finally you will get the reports, right? Only one method is there, that's why we have this, right? So this is how we have to do this. See now, okay, so this is how you have to execute. Okay, suppose tomorrow you want to have one more file. Okay, so what you have to do, you want to execute, I don't want reports, or I don't want reports, I want to execute only customer.java and user.java, or you want to execute only user and reports, then how to do that?
include forms option.
That is different, but here itself what you have to do, you just simply remove this, or you can make a change of this. You can rename this. You can rename this with functional. Okay.
You can comment also, right? So in XML only you can comment that.
No, suppose if you have 100 or thousands of lines of code is there, for how many methods you are going to comment? Okay, but see, now it is a functional, right? So now what you have to do, you just go there, and we have one more XML file, right? You just paste it again. Demo.testng, just paste that.
First you will copy there.
Yeah, so now you can have one more suit here. I will just copy this, okay? And now I will paste it in the TestNG suite. Okay, so now what I will do, because every day you have to run the smoke testing or sanity testing, right? So I will make this as a sanity, because every day in the sanity report I have to run only users and customer. I don't want to run reports. Okay, or I want to run only customers, then I want to run user and customers. So in that case, I will make it as a, I will delete that and I will save this. Now go to the sanity and execute the TestNG suite. Now you won't get the reports, dashboards you won't get.
Next process we want to reports. So you can replace or
You can run it functional, right?
These are-
Here you have 3, but tomorrow you want to execute only user and reports. In that case, what you have to do, you have to
we have to create
one more file and just
script.
that's it. Yes, that's it. So you want to customer with reports, users with report, because there you don't require any further.
Like naming order.
Yeah. Yes, that is as per your suggestion. You can create XML dot. Yes, this you can use this. So how to change this name? You have to go with refractor, and then from there you have to use the rename. Yeah, based on your
Testing
visibility, how you can able to make use of that particular thing. Okay.
కానీ కొన్ని పర్టికులర్ రూల్స్ ఉంటాయి నేమింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అని ఖచ్చితంగా అవే ఎందుకంటే
అదే ఫంక్షనల్ శానిటీ స్మోక్ రిగ్రెషన్. సపోజ్ రిగ్రెషన్ అంటే ఈ మొత్తము సో అవి, సో అట్లా. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ రిపోర్ట్స్ ఉంది. See here what is going to happen in the reports. నీకు రిపోర్ట్స్ కి సపోజ్ యూజర్స్ ఉంది. సో యూజర్స్ కూడా నువ్వు నార్మల్ గా వాట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ, వీ హ్యావ్ టు లాగిన్ బ్రౌజర్ లాగౌట్. సో నౌ I want to utilize the customer wherever you are having that methods, right? So if I want to utilize that, what I need to do here?
You can import the
See, we both are on the same package, right?
yes, sir.
So you can use the here what concept we have used here. Inheritance concept. What is the inheritance concept?
Interface between client and user.
Yeah, we have to extend, right? Interface, parent. Yeah, if you have any that thing, user public class user extends.
Any bottom another class is there, we can extend this.
Yeah, extends customer.
Okay, there is no use it before class, right? So before class only you will extend it. Right? In customer down Java, these are other class, right?
Yes.
You will extend it from their location to here.
So user extends customer. Okay. We will see that. So we have that when we extend that, then it will automatically execute those cases. Okay.
Before class boundary except just
Yes. Extends. What we have to do? CUS customer. See, now if I'll run this, we have extended, right? So here, how many methods are there? 3 methods. Yeah. So now it will consider for all these create user, create, edit, delete user. For all this also, you will get the login, logout, open, close browser. Because see, now here create user successfully, user deleted successfully, user modified, deleted successfully. Only you will get only these 3 only. But create successfully, user created successfully, before and after you will get the login, logout as well. So what we did, we just extended, that's it, right? Extends with customer. So which all are the methods are there, those will by default will applicable to this class, right? So now if I'll run this, see now customer login successfully, user created successfully, logout successfully. You got it or not? So we just extended. That is which OOPS concept we used? Inheritance concept. So what all are under the base classes, we are just extending to the further child classes. Okay. Yeah. So here, if you don't know about how to import that, again, what people will do, here also you can implement login, logout, again before method, after method. Here also they may implement, right? But that won't be required, right? Okay. See, see, I have one string str1 is equal to no. I am just giving you one. Here there is a one more beautiful advantage is there for comparing that. See, normally when if you want to compare two strings, what you will do? If else statement, if else, if else, right? If that is not passed, then else condition will pass. We'll go to that. See now. See now here I am having str1 and str2 is there. Okay. Now I am having these 3 now. Whether these both are not equal, right? So suppose whenever this condition is false, then it won't execute further methods. Okay, it won't execute. So now how to compare this? We are having a method called here asset dot asset equal to. Okay, so we have a fantastic feature called this one. Okay, so here str1. Okay, similarly here. Yes. See now this one is str1, string1 and string2. Okay. So now if both are pass, then only further execution is going to be happen. If not pass, then it won't execute. Here itself, you will get the test case as failed. Okay, let's see. See, you got one failed right here. Java dot expected is but not found Srinath. Expected is this, right? But not found. So that's why it is getting failed. So you got the one failure, right? 5 pass, 1 fail, 6 total run. Okay, so this is one kind of assertion concept in the TestNG. It's a beautiful concept in TestNG. So whenever if you want to compare, you need to make it as a, see now I have both strings are equal, right? See now all 6 out of 6 got passed. Okay, so this is a beautiful concept in TestNG. I said, see whether you are going to prefer if else condition or this condition. So if you go with if else condition, what is going to happen? Even though if that condition is false, further cases are going to be executed. But here it won't execute. Once if it get failed, there itself it will stop the thing. We have asset and verify. We have no normal class. This won't be applicable. So this is a TestNG method, right? So it won't. See here we have asset and verify. We can have asset also it is there and verify is there. Okay, verify. So whenever if you use asset, then it won't execute further cases if this is going to be failed. But whereas in the verify, if you use the verify condition, then even though if it fails, if the condition is false, then it will execute remaining cases. Okay, so this is all about sequencing and how to run the from XML. See, if whoever is going to ask you in interviews also, right? How are you going to execute? Don't say like we are going to execute at the rate priority equal to, because that concept is applicable only within the methods, not for the classes. So you have to explore, we have to generate an XML file and from where we can replace with the sequence whatever we want. Okay, based on that we will create. So here if you have 100 test cases, then out of 100 test cases, if you want to run only 20 as a smoke, then you have to identify those test of cases and you can group them in a sequence and then you have to make it as a one file. Okay, so that is one group concept is there. We'll explain you that also. So right now up to here, this is more than enough for today's session, because even if you'll go beyond this, there might be somewhat correct. Okay.